What up, YouTube? The 03 Tiburon. So I'm gonna grab the jack stand and bolt it up to the engine right now. Let's see if this angle's better. So I'm gonna grab the stand. Let's see, where can I bolt this bitch up to? Probably jack it up more. Figure out a spot to put this in, something that is good. So that's pretty much what I'm doing, trying to figure out a good spot to put this at. Alright, everything's all tight, so I put it one here, one all the way in the bottoms. So I couldn't put anything up here because I don't have a long enough bolt. So I'll be removing these right now and taking this and throw it away. Not throw it away, just put it away right now. So that's what I'll be doing right now. Alright guys, I PV blasted all the bolts for taking out the headers. I'm gonna show you why. Putting headers sometimes being a bitch. And I'm gonna PV blast the O2 sensors. I'm gonna remove that. Let's go on the back side. These headers actually worked over here fine, but you can kind of see where it's mounted. With my original headers I bought, I had crushed the back of the alternator. I'll take this off too, so I gotta figure out all the oil's coming from and start playing with this. So you see this idiot, like, if you guys seen why I was removing it, why the hell he put two? Might as well just take one off and just bypass it. And that's pretty much it. And now I'm gonna take out the AC compressor, do the timing on this, remove the oil. Not right now, but take out the headers first. I don't know how she looks out without the headers. So basically, I think these are 12s, if I remember right. I don't know why the hell they put washers like that. Beats me. So I'll see if I can remove the whole compressor. These are 12s, so that's what I'll be doing right now, removing that. Alright, these are 4 12s. Remove the AC compressor. So we go to the other side. There you go. There's the 4. To remove it. Pretty simple. Alright, so when you do headers, usually you gotta take up the lines, but I think that would be a little easier, more safe. So these are 12s. So removing them. Yeah, smaller 12. Yeah, so what I'll be doing, removing those. The last one. There you go. Put that in the ground. Okay, so I'll show you. This is the engine crank sensor. So it's right there, 10mm. I don't know if that's original or not because it doesn't look like it, but it is what it is. So that's how the engine looks right now, butt naked. So same thing over here. Start removing the alternator. So that's how she looks. keep it just in case. And these are 12, like I said. And on these back ones, it's easier to use a ratchet wrench. It doesn't need to be snap-on, but it's just a lot easier. But it seems like these pendejos, yeah, so they're probably 13s. These are not original, so that's what I'll be doing right now. Alright, I just put the exhaust bolts in a bag and just put PB blaster. So I'm gonna put these away. I don't know if I'm gonna use these headers or not. So I put in my little pile of crap. So now I'm gonna right now I'm just gonna leave it how it is right now. I don't want to go too crazy and go too crazy. I don't know, I just want to start doing this to show you guys how you do your timing belt. So 12. So at least I know it's on a engine stand. And so these are 12s right here, if you guys didn't know. So I'm just gonna remove this for now. Try to get this engine at least resealed probably next week. So I'll remove the long ass bolts. I'm gonna throw out, I have the whole timing belt kit anyway, so throw that away, I don't need it. So this engine cover's shot anyway, so I'm probably not gonna use it, or just run the whole belt open. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So just stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna show everything about as well. So there's nothing on YouTube as much. So I do see something leaking over here. We'll find out next video. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day, night, weekend, where you guys are from. Drive safe and stay dirty.